museums are quiet at night? Lighten up! The nature of light is back at the Paine Art Center and Gardens, and it's positively glowing. You may ask yourself, what's glowing on? Here it's like immersing your senses and your soul into a giant kaleidoscope. This is so much more than a walk in the gardens. Around every bend is a mystical adventure that will surprise you. So come curious and come on! Only in Oshkosh, when the sun goes down, the magic starts. The nature of light is alive and waiting for you at the Paine. Is this what it's like to be in a glow stick?